Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 10th to 22nd. For November 10th to the 14th, the pattern remains generally unchanged. We have an eastern Pacific ridge here that will build inland as the period goes on. And we have an upper low over the Great Lakes that will lift northward. And a new trough developed over the center of the nation and slides east. So I'm going to show you, this is a GFS. And we go through the period, you start seeing the ridge here, building inland, the trough, the separate low building to the north, and a new trough comes into effect. And then we look at the rest of the models, you see they're in good agreement. So now the trough in the central U.S. leaves room for a storm to come up through the east with rain through the mid-Atlantic, but some snow could mix in over the central Appalachians. A higher chance for snow will be in the Catskill, the Adirondacks, and northern New England mountains, where several inches of snow can bring down trees still full of leaves. Rain along the northern mid-Atlantic coast and southern New England can be heavy enough to cause flooding issues. The upper pattern looks favorable with a neutral or nearly negative upper trough entering the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, a large upper high over the west central Rockies, and a blocking upper high in the south central Atlantic. Rain late Sunday into Monday spreads over the southeast, then spreads northeast, with some of the models have the heaviest rain remaining further east, with the upper trough hanging back to the west. Lighter precipitation in between will lead to a colder light rain, but increase in intensity could lead to a changeover to snow for the interior. And then energy will move into the northwest, will increase the chances of precipitation, and for temperatures, the east will experience below normal temperatures, and the west will continue above normal temperatures. For November 13th to 17th, okay, here's the 15th. We still have our ridge here, our trough. Our trough here, the models are good agreement. So I'm forecasting this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for this large area of the nation. Forecast anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for November 18th to 22nd. Here's the 18th. Most of the models maintain an amplified flow with the regional west trough in the east, but then we're going to look at the European. Has generally a flatter flow with above normal high trough here, kind of like almost a split flow here across the nation, and we still have a trough over the northeast. But over and all the same general idea, so going more in line with the GFS solution, or a GFS ensemble solution here, ridge trough configuration. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal, could be higher, especially across the southwest in California. And then we have below normal temperatures for this region here, with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 45% up to 45, and then we have above normal precipitation here, with the probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 10th to 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.